Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a stationery haul from several different shops. The first one is from Daiso, and these are the square sticky notes that you have seen in my plan with me or in another haul. And there were two other colors that I wanted to pick up, and now my collection is complete. I really like these because the colors are very minimalist. Next, we have the laminate sheets that I used in my bullet journal setup for April. I will link it down below, but these are the B6 size, so it comes 8 pieces in a pack instead of 5, and I really like these for crafting in my notebook. Next, I have a couple of things from Officeworks. Both of them are pens. The first one is a Tombow brush pen in 623. And it looks like all the other Tombow brush pens, but I thought that I'd go ahead and pick up a warm purple. So I'm going to demo how it writes, and I'm sorry if the color isn't very true to life, but it's a very charming purple. So if you're looking for that, this is a very good pen for that. Next, I have a Pilot Kakuno fountain pen in M nib, and it is not the see-through that I have, but it is the same type of pen, and it comes in a cartridge. The cartridge is free, and it has the Pilot black ink, which I am very happy about because a lot of other pens come with blue ink and I prefer black. I haven't had any experience with the regular Pilot inks, only the Iroshizuku, so this was going to be my first time. And this is how you put it together. It is very simple. You take the cartridge and you pop it into the lower half of the pen, the one with the nib, and this nib has a smiley face on it, which is why I really love this line. So you have to wait a little bit before you start using the pen. Wait for the ink to flow down into the nib. And this is how it writes. It's very smooth and very similar to a Lamy fountain pen in F nib. Lastly, I have my haul from Mint My Desk, and these are the Days of the Week washi. I decided to pick some up for my bullet journal, and I think this is a very good idea so that you wouldn't have to worry about writing the days uniformly if you have it in this washi form. And then I also have some decorative washi. This is the first one, and this is a very regular type of washi material, and it just has these pretty artwork, very romantic, and I thought that this would be a very good addition. And then this one is a different type of washi. It's not a washi material, it is PVC, and it is very sparkly, so it's not sticky at the back. It has a film, and you have to take that off when you want to use this tape. I also picked up some floral sheet stickers, and it just comes one in a pack, and it's very nice for journaling as well. And then I have these pens. These are the 2 ink ones. I already have one and I really enjoyed using that, so I thought I'd go ahead and pick up some more. But I don't think I'll be purchasing any more aside from this, as I feel like I have all the colors already. Next, I have this giant stationery pack, and it has this little charm, and honestly I really just wanted this bookmark charm because it's super cute to use in my bujo. But it comes with all the other things, including this rose gold bull clip. And the first thing you have is this sheet that tells you the design, so the overall theme, which is strawberry. I'm really into strawberries lately, I do not know why. So you have a little sheet or a little memo pad. This other memo pad, I think this is A6. And it has that artwork of the girl with the strawberries all around her, and it is just a regular notepad. And the last one is a B6 size little planner type of notepad, and I really like these because I just punch it and put it in my B6. Lastly, I have my sticker packs, and I'm very happy with these. I've been using it every day in all of my spreads. This is the first one, and these sticker packs are made of different types of materials. This first one is a washi type that's stuck onto a PVC at the back. So they are very easy to peel off. And that is the material that I really gravitate towards. I really love washi paper stickers, just like this one. It's very cute. It's not romantic type of artwork, unlike these other 3 packs from Lovely Everyday. I'm not sure what that artist is or company is, but they make these really beautiful gold foiled PVC die-cut stickers. So these are not washi material. They are, however, also a little bit on the see-through side, just like a washi would, and I think that's really charming, and I really love that. The color payoff is actually very good on the parts that are not super see-through, a little bit opaque, and you'll see this here. And you will also see this in my finished pages, so make sure that you are following me on Instagram. I promise to post more. Now, unfortunately, the gold foiling isn't showing up very well on camera because I am filming at night with really dodgy lighting, but it is, trust me, really, really gorgeous. I picked up another one to complete my set, so there are 4 of these, and this is my favorite one, the peach one. It's just super pretty. I really truly love this, so if you find this, you must pick it up. You can find this in AliExpress for sure. And that's it for us today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.